Hi, everybody. My name is Chris Greco. I'm the owner and senior instructor for Greco Technology, or GrecTech. You can contact me at www.grectech.com. And we are going to talk about how to take the coronavirus, that's COVID-19 data, and be able to visualize it and analyze it using all free and open source software. The three areas that we're going to talk about today are going to be OpenOffice, KNIME, K-N-I-M-E, and Gapminder. You can download OpenOffice, and I have version 4.1.4 here, but they have newer versions at openoffice.org. You can download KNIME by knime.com, and you can do Gapminder by gapminder.org. So first, what I want to do is just open these up and show you a little bit about them. Just a real brief introduction to them. Just let you see that there's a lot of things that are very similar to what you use now, and there are things that are very different from what you use now. So let's start with OpenOffice. When you open OpenOffice, it's going to come up with a series of different types of applications. You want the spreadsheet. So the spreadsheet will open up, and you can see we're going to make this bigger for you guys. You can see it looks almost exactly like your absolutely favorite spreadsheet software. So here it is, and it's kind of neat when you take a look at it because there is a lot of similarities. And what we're going to do is we're going to open up the coronavirus data that you can get from GitHub, and I will give you that site. If I didn't put it in the beginning, I'll put it at the end at the credits where you can get this data. It is from Johns Hopkins University. It is good data from the standpoint that I trust Johns Hopkins, and I trust their data reporting capability. They even have an entire dashboard out there for you, which is nice, but it doesn't really track timing aspects. And so what I'm going to do is the result of this thing, what I'm going to have is I'm going to have a timing between January 2020 and April 2020 and show you through visualization how that coronavirus seeped through the United States. So the first thing we want to do is we want to open. Now, I could always open recents, so that would give me exactly what I need. But let me go ahead and go through it with you. So I'm going to open it. I have my stuff under COVID-19, and I have it under 4.3 data, which is the data from April the 3rd. So this is going to be, it's April the 9th now, so this isn't even current data as of right now. But you can get the current data from the same place where I got this data here. So I'm going to go to the COVID data, the COVID SSE, which is the computer science area for Johns Hopkins University, COVID-19 data, and go through it that way. And we want to, now what I did was originally I had this thing in XLSX, but you don't get it that way, you get it CSV, and we're going to keep it in CSV. So the first thing I want to do is show you how to do this from the standpoint of taking that confirmed US. So we're going to do confirmed, and we're going to do deaths, because that's the only thing you get from the US standpoint is confirmed and deaths. So all I want is the CSV stuff. So I'm just going to do CSV. So this is what you would get normally. So we're going to do confirmed US, and this will open this up, and you can see it'll say, okay, you want a comma delimited because separated because it's a comma separated value, right? CSV. You can see there's a lot of different columns in here. But what I want to do is I want to make sure that it is in the format that I want it. So when I hit OK, I'm going to get all these different types of data. The UID, the FIPS. Now the FIPS, just for those people that don't know what FIPS is, it's the federal, excuse me, it's the federal identification for states. So all this, basically Alabama is usually one. So when you say FIPS, it also includes counties. So the county of Alabama is going to be Autaga in Alabama, that's going to have a FIPS code of 1001. That is in all federal databases. That means 1001, when you see FIPS, means Autauga, Alabama. So there's a lot of different things in here. You got lat, long, combined key. You got a lot of different areas. Now, when you get this, it's not going to look like this. So just to let you know, it's not going to look like this. The date is not going to look like this. It's going to have, it's going to be something like this. It's going to, instead of being that way, it's going to be 1/22 /2020, something like that. Okay? So that's the way it's going to look. And basically what happens is when it looks like that, well, actually, I put this in the wrong space, but just think of this, so we'll change this to 23. So now what you have is you have this. You got to change this, change it to this format: year, 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 month, month, day, day. Because if you don't do that, the ending, the Gapminder demands that you have data in a certain format. You don't have it in this format, there's going to be an issue. It's already in this format, so I don't have to worry about it. But if it's not, the way you do that is literally you would change this one to 2020 01/22, because that's the date on which it starts. You make sure that it's in a date format. So you right click on L1, format cells, and then you make sure that this thing is in a date format. And the way you do that is you hit date, and then you're going to put in here year, 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 day, day. When you do that, and you hit OK based on that number I just put in there, it's going to come up with this weird looking thing. So what you're going to do is you're going to change this to 01/22/2020. When you do that, it automatically puts it in that correct format for you. You grab the fill handle. Let me get this up a little bit further. You see this black square here? You're going to just grab that, left click on it, and just drag it across there. As you drag it across, you're going to see that it automatically puts the dates in there that you need, all the way through until you end, which should be April the 2nd. Okay. Okay, now you're good to go. Everything is going to be date formatted. So now you're good to go there. You're going to save that. You're going to say keep current format. Don't save an ODF format. And then you're going to close that. Now you're going to do that to the confirmed, and you're going to do that to the death_US CSV, both of those. All right, so that's all we need to do at this point with OpenOffice. So we're going to go ahead and close this out, and we're going to open up KNIME. KNIME takes takes a second or two to open up, and the reason is because it's pretty memory hungry. But that's okay, because what it does is it gives you KNIME, KNIME, has an immense amount of functionality. And that functionality will help you to be able to do the things you need to do within a workflow area.